Hey, this is Trader Travis with another short negative wisdom today. Keyword is short. I'm committed to keeping this video under 5 minutes. Let's see if I can stick to it. Ready, set, go. So first, what I'm going to do is load up an admin notice from the recent recap we had for Success Academy members, and then I will be back to clarify that message even more.
You know what? I did forget to mention something. So the YouTube videos, because a question came into the members area about a YouTube video Travis did. Here's the thing about the free YouTube videos. Those are free. So you're never going to see, sorry about that. You're never going to see any information in a free YouTube video that is as clear and precise as what you find in the members area. So if you watch a free YouTube video and you don't understand what Travis is talking about, it is a big highlight that you have not gone through the material enough, because all those YouTube videos are snippets of what he's taught in the Success Academy, but they're not everything he's taught. So if you're a Success Academy member, I would tell you, you really don't need to go through the YouTube videos. Back when we started doing our weekly recaps, we did them on free YouTube, so members used to go out and watch them. But that's not the case anymore. What Travis puts out on free YouTube videos is half, not even. It's a very small snippet of what you guys have access to in the members area. So if you don't understand something from a YouTube video that he's put out, or something's not making sense, it's just go back to the lesson plans, because that's where you'll find your answer. That's it, Travis. Sorry.
No, that was good. Okay, I'm back. So my summary is that if you're a member of any of my programs, whether it's Market Club Options, Success Academy, or any other programs I've ever created in the past, then a free YouTube video should be reinforcement, not confusion, right? If it's confusion, then that means you need to dig into the product you purchase more. Case in point, if you're watching this, you're a member of my program, comment below. Have you ever seen anything on YouTube that is immensely better than what you found in the paid product? If you have, let me know. Because in my opinion, well, first, why I have a YouTube channel. Part of my value system is that I want to add value to people's lives without them having to pay me a dime. Part of my value system is why I created a free options course before I created my paid course. The only reason I created a paid course is because people asked me to. Now, when I get the paid course, part of my value system is if somebody invests in their education with you, you have a fiduciary responsibility to make sure that you honor your agreement, deliver on what you promised, and then be there for them as more than you are for some stranger on the internet who's afraid to invest in your products and services, right? It's amazing. People scour YouTube trying to put together free materials, and I'm like, how can you be an investor when you are afraid to invest in yourself and your education? But anyway, I'm getting sidetracked, and I said 5 minutes, right? The way I view YouTube is, this is probably going to offend people, but it's true. YouTube is, for members of our program, Success Academy Market Club Options, YouTube, it's like table scraps, right? They get our leftovers. It's the equivalent of dumpster diving. If you look at it, you're dumpster diving for scraps, trying to piece together nuggets of wisdom to try to Frankenstein together some system to learn something and hopefully be successful. And I know, because I used to be a dumpster diver when it came to trading, right? Scour the web looking for stuff for free. Again, I was too cheap to invest in my education, which is why I'm glad I found a millionaire who kind of smacked me upside my head and taught me the right way to view things, right? He was like, if you invest $5,000 in a course and it teaches you how to be a millionaire, that's a bargain. But I was like, oh, that's expensive, right? So he helped me reframe the way I thought. So anyway, let me move on and give the dumpster diving scraps of the day. That's such an offensive term, but whatever. Anyway, I want to add value to people's lives who aren't a member of our program. So first, I believe the market is forming a bottom and is going to be up here in the next few weeks. And here's, I'll give you one of the reasons I think so. So first though, if you are watching this and you are a Market Club Options member, use Market Club. The trade triangles work, right? They work well enough for you to make money. If you happen to be fortunate enough to be a Success Academy member, then you can use the 4 stages of a market crash, and that handout is in the members area. And that counting method is generally used for market bottoms, but I found that you can also use it for market corrections. And so, I'm looking at day 1 here, and we look at the, first of all, the counting method is taught for those who aren't in a Success Academy. You don't have to pay several $1,000s just to learn it. You can actually just buy this book here. And I'll put my referral link below this video. It's one, if you read this book, probably you'll see a lot of Trader Travis in that book, because 70 to 80% of what I do is modeled and influenced by William J. O'Neill and his methods. I just applied it to options. He teaches basically how to buy stocks, but I applied it to options. So this method about how to spot stock market bottoms is actually taught in that book, and it's more in detail in the book, which examples of the past. But anyway, I'm using this right now, and I'm looking at the market as of now in this correction. And so what I'm looking for here in the next few days is what William J. O'Neill calls a confirmation day. And when we have that, probably again for the free YouTube video, I won't tell you what it is, but you can learn what it is by buying the book. But I'll just say, hey, I think based on this method that the market has bottomed out. But it's definitely forming one based on that method. It's not called the counting method in the book, but that's just the name my mentor gave it. And again, if you're a Market Club member, don't worry about the counting method and all this other stuff. Just follow Market Club. So for example, if the counting method gets a confirmed ending of the correction, then I promise you Market Club will trigger a green weekly trade triangle within the next day or two. That's what I found, at least. So again, it's a green weekly. It won't be the monthly, but it'll be the green weekly. And that's how you can know it's possibly the bottom. But per our blueprint in the Market Club Options program, or even Market Club, you would wait for the monthly to be extra safe. So you take care. I went a little bit over my time, but it's close enough. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.